Different mechanisms of size reduction. Size reduction in generic term is called coordination, which in common terms means cutting, crushing, and grinding. There are different methods, different mechanisms of size reduction. Number one is impact. Number two is compression. Number three is shear. Number four is iteration. And number fifth is non-mechanical. In impact mechanism, by impact mechanism, the particle is the big particle is break down by a single rigid force. By a single rigid force. And by a single rigid force into small particles. In compression, particle is disintegrated by two rigid forces. Particle is disintegrated by two rigid forces. Particle is disintegrated by two rigid forces. By applying the shear force, the particle is disintegrated. Particle is disintegrated between the two surfaces. One surface is stationary and another surface is moving. The moving surface produces the force and the stationary surface reduces the drag, which results in the disintegration of large particle into small particle. The number last non-mechanical is the use of forces which are not mechanical. For example, ultrasound grinding, thermal shock, explosive shattering, cryogenic grinding. These forces, whether shear, whether impact, whether compression, whether iteration, they are employed in combination or alone in different machines. The important few machines which I want to discuss here is number one is a roll mill, which uses compression and shear. Number two is ball mill, which uses impact and shear. Number three is hammer mill, which uses only impact. the number 4 is pin and disk mill, which also uses only impact. These are a few important examples. Hope you understood this. Thank you.